In this video, I'll guide you through how to capture leads from your website in Salesforce. Capturing leads directly from your website can be a game changer for your business, allowing you to seamlessly collect and manage potential customer information. Let's dive into setting this up in your Salesforce account. First, you'll want to start by clicking on the gear icon located in the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. This will take you into the Setup area, which is the control center for configuring and customizing your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, head over to the Quick Find box on the left-hand side. This handy tool allows you to quickly navigate to various settings and features. Here, you'll need to type in Web to Lead. After typing Web to Lead in the Quick Find box, click on the option that appears. This will direct you to the Web to Lead settings page. The Web to Lead feature is Salesforce's way of allowing you to capture leads directly from your website visitors, and it's an essential capability for any business looking to improve their lead generation process. Now, turn your attention to the Edit button. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to the Web to Lead settings. You'll see a checkbox labeled Enable Web to Lead. Make sure this box is checked. Enabling this feature is crucial, as it will turn on the functionality that lets you capture and funnel website leads directly into Salesforce. With Web to Lead enabled, the next step is to create the actual form that will appear on your website. On the same page, you'll find a button labeled Create Web to Lead Form. Go ahead and click it. This will open up the form creation interface, where you can customize which fields you want to collect information for. When deciding which fields to include on your form, think about the information that will be most valuable for your sales process. Common fields include first name, last name, email, company, and phone number. You can select these fields using the Add and Remove arrows, which allow you to move fields between the available and selected lists. Customizing these fields ensures you're collecting the data that's most relevant to your needs. Next, you'll need to define a return URL. This is the web page your visitors will be redirected to after they submit their information. A common choice is a thank you page, such as yourdomain.com/thank-you. This step is important because it not only confirms the submission to your visitor, but also allows you to track the lead conversion process more effectively. Once you have configured your form fields and set up your return URL, click the Generate button. This action will create the HTML code for your Web to Lead form, which you can then embed directly into your website. Adding this code to your site is the final step in the process, and it's typically done by accessing your website's HTML or using a content management system to insert the code. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Web to Lead form in Salesforce, allowing you to capture valuable lead information directly from your website. This integration not only streamlines your data collection, but also enhances your ability to follow up with potential customers efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to maximize your Salesforce experience.